So the next feature we'll talk about is convert. Convert is basically you can convert your linear tracings into area tracings, and soon we will get area tracing to linear tracing conversion also, but it's not available at the moment. So I've done a skirting measurement here already, which is a linear tracing, and suppose I want to convert it to a area tracing. So what I'll do is, first I'll select this, copy, go back. Now this is done in the skirting portion. I'll go up in my flooring area, I'll enter the takeoff tool, and I'll just paste it here. So it has been pasted here. Now the next step what I'll do is, I will just select this measurement and click on convert. So now it has got converted to area, and this is my area conversion. Now I can just make changes within this, say double click, add a point and enter. So I've got my area tracing here.